Through that testimonial, I would like to recommend the 3 Brains training. I did follow the training a few weeks ago and very much enjoyed it. It's a very simple, straightforward approach, but that would actually make a big difference in your coaching sessions. It's something that I almost use every day now, whether it's in my coaching sessions or even in conversations with my personal relationships. I strongly appreciated the pace of the training, but also the fact that we were just a small group of people, which to me allowed more learning, more space for questions, more demos and more practice. The training is built on different tools. You will get a manual that is extremely well built because it's basically summarizing everything that you are going to learn. But there's also like a summary at the end of it that gives you access to all the tools that you will be learning during the training. I find it very easy and practical to use, and I can refer easily to it every time I'm with a client. We had so many as well chances to practice together. That's how I learn, by experimenting. And so it was a nice way to tackle personal topics and at the same time practice those new tools. Chris is a wonderful coach, very entertaining with lots of humor, so the process was also very professional, but very light at the same time and enjoyable. So I'm keen to be part of the upcoming practicing groups that are also in place once you have completed the certification, giving me access to a new community of coaches and giving me space to practice everything that I've learned.